This is sum number 4 part 1 MCQ short answer type question. The ratio of cost price and selling price is 10:11. The profit percentage is. So here, so CP and SP, the ratio of CP and SP is given 10:11. So let CP be rupees 10 and SP be rupees 11. So therefore profit equal to 11 minus 10 equal to rupees 1. So therefore profit percentage, what is the formula of profit percentage? We know profit by CP into 100. So therefore we know the profit is rupees 1. So 1 by CP is 10. 1 by 10 into 100. Eliminating these two zeros, we get 10. So the profit percentage is 10%. This is the answer. This is second question 4 part 2. Buying a book at rupees 40 and selling it at rupees 60. Find the profit percentage. So therefore CP of book is given is rupees 40 and SP of book is rupees 60. So therefore profit will be 60 minus 40, rupees 20. So therefore profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. So here the profit is 20 and here the CP is 40 into 100. Dividing by 20 we get this is 1 and this is 2. So the answer is 50%. Profit percentage is 50. This is 4 part 3. Number 3 question. A shirt is sold at rupees 360 and there is a loss of 10%. The CP of the shirt, we have to find the CP. So we don't know the CP, we know the SP is 360. So therefore SP is 360, loss is 10%. We don't know the CP, so let CP be X. So loss equal to X into 10 by 100. So X by 10. So SP equal to CP minus loss. So therefore 10 1 LCM is 10. 10x minus x equal to 9x by 10. So according to the problem, 9x by 10 equal to 360. So therefore x equal to 360 into 10 by 9. Divide by 9, we get this should be 440. So x equal to 400. So CP is equal to 400. This is the CP. After 20% discount, the selling price of a geometry box becomes rupees 48. So the market price of the geometry box, we have to find the market price of a geometry box. So let market price be X. So therefore discount equal to X into 20%. We know the 20% discount. Eliminating by 20 we get X by 5. So therefore SP is market price minus discount. Market price is X, discount is X by 5. So this should be 5. 5x minus x equal to 4x by 5. So according to the problem, 4x by 5 is equal to 48. We know the geometry box becomes 48 SP of the geometry box. So therefore x equal to 48 into 5 by 4. Dividing by 4 we get 12. 12 into 5, 60. So therefore market price of the geometry box is 60. This sum number 5. A retailer buys medicine at 20% discount on market price and sells to buyer at market price. The retailer makes a profit percentage of, so here retailer buys medicine at 20% discount, so on market price. So first we have to assume, let market price be 100. So discount is 20%, means 100 into 20 by 100, rupees 20. So retailer bought, or CP is 100 minus 20 equal to rupees 80. Now he sells to buyer at market price. So therefore SP is 100 rupees, because market price is known as, we assume that 100 rupees. So therefore retailer bought it at rupees 80 and sold it at 100 rupees. So therefore profit is 100 minus 80 equal to 20 rupees. So therefore profit percentage is profit by CP. Here CP is 80 into 100. This is 4 dividing by 400, 25%. So profit percentage is here 25. So profit percentage is 25%. This is the answer.